Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Robothought Zero to Hero series Python machine learning on the edge using Jets and Nano. Guys, we are on lesson number 53 and I am going to show you scientific Python length constant, right? We had seen the time constant and different types of constant in the previous lesson. In this lesson, I am going to show you what is a length constant unit means for especially for machine learning. All right. So basically, it's nothing but it's a unit to measure the meters, right? For example, nautical underscore mile returns a value of 1852. So like this, within the constant module for length, there are certain keywords like inch, foot, yard, mile, point, survey foot, and kind of thing. So let's take a look at few examples and we will take it forward from there. All right, I am going to get into my IDE, Visual Studio IDE, which I installed in Jetson Nano. Let's import our friend NumPy, sorry, not NumPy, SciPy. From SciPy, import constants. All right, and then let's print the length constants at different parameters for length, which is constants.inch is one of them, and then print constants.foot is one of them, print constants.yard is another one, and then print constants.mile is frequently used, and then print constants.mil is rarely used but it will be useful, print constants.pt is another one, and then print constants.point. This will be very often used especially in machine learning stuffs, point, and then print constants dot survey underscore foot. There you go, in the drop down you get it automatically, which is a good sign. And then we will go to the next one, say print constants dot nautical underscore mile. All right, and then print, say, constants.fermi, which is another measurement unit, and then print constants.micron, which is used in mechanical side. All right, print constants dot au, which is another one, and like this maybe another, print constants dot light year. Wow, light year, which is pretty good, light year, and then oops, indentation, print constants dot speed, no, constants dot light underscore, no, I think we have done that. Let's say constant dot parsec. All right, and there are many more, guys. I can give you those details through my GitHub. There are ton more actually. Let's try to run this and see what value we get. Run Python file in terminal. Right click, run Python file in terminal. And there you go. What is that? The last one, trace back for constant parsec. Okay, so it did not, maybe there's a typo. Oh yeah, there you go. Constants. Now it should work. Run Python file in terminal. Line number 1, constant is not defined. From SciPy import constants. It is correct. Then what is the issue? Line number 1, from SciPy import constants. That seems to be perfect. Import constants, and then did I miss on any typos? Constants. Sometimes it's really tough to identify if you miss on even a syntax. From SciPy import constant, this seems to be perfect. Then why it says I haven't imported it? Let me try this. Maybe the light here might be causing some issue, but let's give a try. Run Python file in terminal. There you go. Alright, so there was a indentation issue, basically nothing else. So guys, that's you. I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to show you, right? How all these inbuilt functions are executing one by one. You got to understand this in more detail, guys. So I am going to be back soon in the next lesson. Until then, goodbye. Do give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.